talk about uh, Claude Computer Agent, which is right now booming a lot. And let's see different use cases today. Um, so how to install it? First thing is you should have an Claude account. You can go to the website and have the Claude, like sign in into an Claude account. Then you should have Cloud API, which is your API key, which you should have. Second thing, you have to install Docker. Uh, you can install the Docker directly from the Docker website. You have to install Docker desktop. So right now, what we are trying is that it will open a container. In that only we will be trying these use cases. Reason is that it will send the data to the cloud, all the images, a screenshot of the screen. That's why we don't want to send our personal data. That's why we are having a closed container or closed environment from which we'll be sending. We'll be running this whole use cases from browser or Excel and then sending it to the Claude server, and it will reply back and it will do all the execution. So right now in this, I have already downloaded the Docker. Docker should look like this. So now Docker is running, and after that, what we have to do is we have to go to the terminal, and we have to paste one code. So I have visited the GitHub of Anthropic, and in that I will be able to see this one code. I will copy this code and I will paste this one. Here I will replace it with my API. Yeah, don't share your API with anyone. So this API I will just not use, and I will delete it once I complete my use case. So first thing first is you can either run it on directly terminal, or you can directly open your VS Studio and can run this. I will first try to set my API key here. So I'll just paste it here and press enter. So my API key is already set here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this code. So make sure that you remove all the slash from here, and it should be in the. I'll just copy paste this one. What this code will do, it will directly run a file in Docker. Okay, so it has opened the port and VNC is also started. So what we have to do is we have to take this particular URL, go to the browser, click here, and open this one. So if you are able to see that here there is a workspace which is given to us, and here there is a place where we can do prompting. So first thing first, what we have to do is we have to copy paste our API, which is this one, and we have to paste it. Once we have the API, we may see different models here. So I have selected the model which we use. Now, what we are going to do is, for the first use case, I'll say open Excel, make an entry of 3 students with 3 different subjects, and at the end calculate the calculate the percentage out of 100. It's a very general simple prompt. Let's see what is it is doing. So if you see that it is already started running, now it will take different screenshot, check whether we have Excel or not. So I think it has already seen there is an Excel. It is trying to open it. And if you see that it is giving an input of um, clicking or typing. So now we have seen a screenshot where there is a pop-up. It has clicked OK already on that one. Now it is going to the first row, and I think it is going to start entering the data. We're trying to, yeah. Student name is the first column, second column math, science, and English are the three subjects which we are given, and the last one is percentage. Okay, that's pretty good. John, 85, 78, 92. Sarah, 92 in maths, PG 8 in science, and English we have 95. Mike, it is still not pretty accurate if you're seeing that it has missed the first row and the third row there, it has kept empty. Now all the data has been entered, all the three students' data is entered. Now it will try to calculate the percentage. See how that. Maybe at the end we will see if it has applied any formula or something. Oh yeah, it is trying to apply